What is going on, everybody? Welcome to today's trade recap. I'll be going over today's trade, today's price action. It is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026, and I'll be showing you exactly what I was thinking when I got into this trade. I took one trade today. It was a win. Usually I take about one trade, maybe two, rarely three, but yeah, so let's get right into it. So first thing I did, as soon as I got on the charts, went to the daily time frame. I went to the daily time frame, if I could find it. There it is. Hold on. All right. So I wanted to mark out previous day highs and previous day lows, but I did notice previous day wick. It was huge. Usually when it's like that, I'll only mark out the high and the low of the candle, and that's gonna be my previous day high at this line right here, and then my previous day low at this line right here. Usually when I do that, that gives me the most probability and the best targets when I'm taking a trade. Instead of focusing on the wicks, I focus on the body of the candle for previous day high and previous day low, usually. So yeah, that's what I did. Then went on the 4-hour time frame. No 4-hour good fair value gaps to use. Went on the 1 hour and saw this nice 1 hour fair value gap that at around this 1 hour fair value gap that we were bouncing off of super nicely, really nicely. Yeah, I was actually leaning bullish today. We were also disrespecting a couple of bearish fair value gaps, kept respecting bullish movement, so I was bullish today. I wanted to see longs. So, and that bounce right there at the midpoint and kept going up, beautiful. That's literally what you want to see. So yeah, so here we have New York session right after 9:30. So I was looking at the charts at this time, and I was around here when I was looking, and so I wanted to see a manipulation move down first to manipulate people, and then on the way up we enter. So beautiful move down, and what I wanted to see was on the 5-minute, this fair value gap. I wanted to see that get like ran through or bounce off of it, one of those. So boom, right here we got that sweep, and then we also sweeped previous day lows. Beautiful, beautiful. Now we just want to see it go up and we get a trade off of that. So my entry for this one was another 30-second version. It was this one right here, and I couldn't really set a nice target for this one. You know, it was in class, in school. Teacher, I couldn't get my computer out really, but we still got into the trade, and TP was at these highs right here. Originally, I really wanted to go for previous day lows. Like, I was super confident we were gonna hit that, but it is what it is. 1.6 RR. A win is a win. This was not a bad trade. It was a good trade. So yeah, we ended up winning this one. If we go to our Lucid trading dashboard, we made $75.25 off of that one. So, and yesterday we ended up getting a break even and a loss. So that was not too good, but we did end up coming back from that. And then this minus 16 was from earlier Asia session I showed you. So yeah, our total P&L for the whole entire account since we got it is $130. So we're currently $130 in profit. Not too bad. Let's see what tomorrow brings us. Today was a really good day. I really liked it. Might see if I could get another trade in for Asia session. Might not. We'll see. But yeah, that's all for today. DP Trading Official out.